Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Code Learners Helpline for Software Development. In this video, I am going to show you how you can import other functions classes from different Python file using Python modules. So here I'll create a file called main.py file. So this is the main file which we'll be working on. Let's take a scenario where we want to get the data from some other particular Python file. So we need to include that. So for that I have created I'll create a small file here, courses.py file. So this is a different file, and this particular has available courses. So there are different courses available, and what I want is I want to get this available course list to be able to access it within my main.py file. And for that, what we can do is we have to use an import statement. So I say you can just import courses, and if I print what is there inside this courses, I will run this. So here in the first thing you find that it is a type of module, and below you see that there are so many special magic functions available, magic methods available here. And at the last you see that there is a variable attribute available, that is available courses. So this is available courses coming from here. And what we can do is, if you want to display this, I can simply use available courses on courses module. And you can see this displays me all the list of courses I have. And you can reduce the path also. For example, if you just want to import courses available, if you just want to import available courses, then what you can do is you can use form courses. You can specify which particular object you need from that particular file also. Then import available courses, and now you need to replace the courses from available courses. So you are good to go now. The output remains the same. And what you can do is you can provide some alias to this. You can give some different name for this available courses by using a keyword called as provided. And this doesn't change the value, but the way you access that, the variable name changes. So here you can see we have the same. So here you can see we have the same, we are getting the same output. And now let us try more in-depth examples of how to do that. For example, consider that all your modules have been saved within a file, within a folder. So I'll create a folder called institute. So institute is a particular, consider institute as a package, and according to the Python convention, in every folder if it is a package, you need to add a _init.py. So there is a particular reason has this particular file acts as an initializer. For example, if I type something here, print, and I go to my main file, I just comment all those things. And if I simply import institute and run my Python program, and here you can see that inside init file this implicitly got called. So for this particular module, this init _init.py file acts as a just acts as a constructor to this. So whenever you call any of the file within the institute folder, the init.file will be implicitly called. So it is, you can also initialize some variables also. So now before this, inside this I'll create a file called students.py file, which consists a class which consists a list of students. So now what you can do is, if you want to import this particular student list uh, within the main.py file, you cannot do directly like this. For example, if I use print institute.students dot student list, so this will particularly give you the error that the module does not have attribute students. So this is the specific reason, because the institute is actually a folder, it's not a file. So you need to traverse through that particular through the file. And here how you can do that, by using from institute import students. So this students is particularly refers to the file. And here what you can do is, you can simply print this, remove this institute, and you can see the init method has been also already called, and also we are getting our list of students which are available. Now now instead of the thing is, instead of getting this students also, you can reduce this particular path. So by going in the init.py file, you can initialize some values here. For example, what you can do is, so you can import from students, you can import students list. And here what I can do is, instead of importing students, I can just import student list. So because this is already initialized in the init.py file, so we will be easily able to retrieve this. So here it says no module name students. So let's see that. So in the init.py file, I made a one mistake, that you need to add a dot here. This refers to the current directory. Save this, clear the log, and run again. And now you can see we are getting the data which is available here. Say suppose if I want to get some data within the _init.py file. So here what I can add is, I can add institute name ABC College, so now what I can do is, I can import multiple of this times, like import institute, just comment this, and so function will return you the list of all the available options. So here you can see that institute name also is available in the institute, and you can do that. You can just simply print this institute name. So now you are getting institute name as ABC College. You can also import this way also, like from institute institute name also you can import. So you can import multiple, such like importing the chunk import. You can import particular variable, object, or a class using this. So now I am just importing student list and also institute name. You can see that we are able to retrieve the institute name. This was just a small video on Python modules, where you can import variables and objects from different files into your main working Python file. So if you like this small video, do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.